Okay, this is a representation of the planet Mars. See it here? So, supposedly all the moisture is locked at the poles. It's frozen carbon dioxide with some frozen water. Yet the Mars Curiosity rover, supposedly there's, the atmosphere is only 1/100th of the Earth, and the Mars rover has gotten dirty, and somehow it's gotten clean over the years. Because if you know this, if you've got solar array at your house, you have to clean it off every few years. You have to clean the dirt off, otherwise it stops working. Well, the Mars Curiosity rover, supposedly, somehow it's gotten clean, even though there's no rain on Mars. NASA is faking the Mars rover. I'm going to show you a little picture here. There's been a rodent found on Mars. You can do a search on this if you can't see it real clear here. It even came up on, that people saw a humanoid shadow behind the Mars rover. Well, that was actually a technician cleaning the rover, and his shadow got caught in the background as he was cleaning it, and it showed up on the, so that, they all claimed, oh, there's humanoids on Mars. Well, no, it's not. It's all shot in Greenland. Google Earth snagged them. If you do a search on Google Earth for Mars rover, so this guy was going through Google Earth and found the NASA van out in North Canada, and so the rover stuff was all shot in Canada, and they just put a red filter on it to make it look like Mars. Now, after they got busted, they pretended, well, that's where we trained to do it because it looks like Mars. Well, there isn't any place in the United States that looks like Mars that you could train. You had to take it all the way up there, and you can see so do a search for a Mars rover in Greenland, and you'll see the Mars truck in the background, and you'll see the rover, and there's a little small colony up there where they fake all the stuff on the rover, but it's all fake. Kind of like this spacesuit, it's all fake. NASA is a big ripoff. They've taken over $1 trillion over the years to fake the moon landing, to fake the Mars rover. 90% of everything that NASA does is fake. It's a propaganda arm of the government, so don't believe anything they say. There's never been people on the moon. We've never landed anything on Mars. It's all fake. Thank you. I'm out.